Good morning students. Welcome back to Chemistry online classes. Our 6th chapter Physical and Chemical Changes is finished. Hope all you have understood the chapter very well. Now we can go through exercise question answers. So all of you be with your textbook and turn to page number 65. Let's start. Okay, first question. Classify the changes involved in the following process as physical or chemical changes. First one, photosynthesis. Is it physical or chemical? Yes, photosynthesis is a chemical change. Here, plants consuming carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight to form carbohydrate. Here, new products are formed. New products are carbohydrate and oxygen. Next one, dissolving sugar in water. Is a physical change. In this process, no new product is formed. Next one, burning of coal. All burning processes are chemical changes. Next one, melting of wax. Is a physical change. In this process, only state of wax is changed. Next one, beating aluminium to make aluminium foil. It's a physical change. Here, no change happened to aluminium. Only shape of the aluminium is changed. Next one, digestion of food. It's a chemical change. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. First one, cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. It's false. It's a physical change. Next one, formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. It's again false. Formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Third one, iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. It's a true statement. Next, iron and rust are the same substances. It's a false statement. Iron and rust are different substances. Last one, condensation of steam is not a chemical change. It's true. Condensation of steam is a physical change. It's not a chemical change. Question 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statement. When carbon dioxide is passed through the lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of dash. When carbon dioxide passed into lime water, it turns milky. It's due to the formation of calcium carbonate. B. The chemical name of baking soda is dash. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. C. Two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are dash and dash. Greasing and galvanization or painting and galvanization. Next, changes in which only dash properties of a substance change are called physical changes. Physical properties. The last one, changes in which new substances are formed are called dash changes. Chemical changes. Question number 4. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of gas. What type of change is it? Explain. Here, baking soda is reacted with lemon juice. By the reaction, here new product is formed. The new product is carbon dioxide. When an acid reacts with the carbonate, definitely carbon dioxide gas is released. Here, carbonate is baking soda. Its chemical name is sodium bicarbonate. Lemon juice is an acid. So, an acid reacts with the carbonate. It produces carbon dioxide gas. The carbon dioxide gas is released in the form of bubbles. Question 5. When candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical change takes place. When a candle burns, the physical change is candle wax get melted, since it again turns into solid wax on cooling. Here, change happen only in the state of matter, that means state of wax. So it's a physical change. And the chemical change is the wax near to the flame burns and give new substances like carbon dioxide, carbon soot, water vapor, heat and light. Burning of any substance is a chemical change. Another example for a change in which both physical and chemical change occur is cooking of food. Sixth question. How do you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? Setting of curd is a chemical change since a new substance is formed which differs in taste from the original substance. Curd is formed from milk. Milk and curd are different substances. So, it's a chemical change. Question 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Here, burning of wood. We have already discussed that burning of any substance is a chemical change. Burning of wood produces new substances like ash, carbon dioxide gas, water vapor, heat and light. So, it's a chemical change and it is irreversible. We can't reverse it back into original form. But cutting wood into small pieces is a physical change because the original composition of wood does not change. Only shape and size of the wood is changed. So it's a physical change. Question 8. Describe how crystals of copper sulfates are prepared. Crystals of copper sulfate are prepared by the process of crystallization. Crystallization means formation of pure large crystals from their solution. So, crystals of copper sulfates are prepared from copper sulfate solution. Is procedure as follows. Take a water in a beaker and add few drop of dilute sulfuric acid. Heat the water. When it starts boiling, add copper sulfate powder slowly with continuous stirring. Next, continue adding copper sulfate powder till saturated level. Filter the solution and left for cooling. Leave undisturbed the solution when it is cooling. We can observe the crystals of copper sulfate after few hours. Question 9. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevents it from rusting. We know that painting is one of the solutions for preventing rusting. For rusting, the presence of both oxygen and water is required. The coat of paint prevents direct contact of iron material with air and oxygen and thus it prevents from rusting. Question 10. Explain why rusting of iron object is faster in coastal area than in desert. You know that for rusting, the presence of air and water is essential. In coastal area, the quantity of moisture content in air is higher compared to desert area. So, the rusting becomes faster in coastal area. Question 11. The gas we use in kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas. In the cylinder, it exists as liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas. It's a change A. When the liquid gas comes from the cylinder, it becomes gas. It's change A. Then it burns. Burning of gas is change B. The following statement pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. The correct one is process B is a chemical change. Process A is the conversion of liquid into gas. Here the state of matter is changed, so it's a physical change. Process B means it's a burning of gas. Burning process is chemical change. So second one, process B is a chemical change. Question 12. Anaerobic bacteria digest animal waste and produce biogas. Change A. Change A means digest the animal waste and produce biogas. The biogas is then burned as a fuel. Burning of biogas is second change, change B. The following statement pertain to these changes. Choose the correct one. Here the correct one is third one. Both processes A and B are chemical changes. Here process A is conversion of animal waste into biogas. Here new product is formed, biogas, which is different from waste. So it's a chemical change. And the second process B is burning of fuel. It's also a chemical change. So third option is correct. So our discussion is over. Hope all you have understood all the question answers. So all you have to read and study the all question answers very well. I have attached this question answers and test paper. All you have to attend the test paper sincerely. I have provided a URL. Please watch it. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.